Deep within Rajasthan lies the village of Abhaneri, a place seemingly lost in time. Amidst the dust and heat, a marvel of ancient engineering emerges, the Chand Baori. Built over 1,000 years ago, it stands as a testament to ancient ingenuity. Its scale and intricate design captivate all who visit, dating back to the 8th or 9th century AD, when water access was crucial for survival. Stepwells like Chand Baori collected and stored rainwater. More than a water source, it was a social hub, a place to escape the sun and celebrate life. Today, it stands as a silent sentinel, a reminder of human ingenuity. The Chand Baori's design is a masterpiece of geometry and symmetry. Descending 64 feet into the earth, it resembles an inverted pyramid. Its walls are adorned with an intricate latticework of 3,500 narrow steps. These steps descend in a mesmerizing crisscrossing pattern, leading down to the well's emerald green water. 13 stories deep, the stepwell's design is not merely for aesthetic appeal. The stepped architecture allows access to the water at various levels, regardless of the season or water table. This ingenious design ensured a consistent water supply throughout the year. Small pavilions and niches are carved into the stepwell's walls, providing shaded areas for respite from the heat. These spaces are adorned with intricate carvings depicting deities, humans, and scenes from daily life. They offer a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of ancient India. The Chand Baori's construction is a testament to the advanced engineering skills of its builders. The sheer scale of the structure, combined with its intricate design and precise execution, points to a deep understanding of geometry, mathematics, and material science. Building a structure as deep and as intricate as Chand Baori presented numerous challenges. The builders had to account for the structural integrity of the stepwell, ensuring it could withstand the immense pressure of the earth and water. They also had to devise a way to prevent soil erosion and water seepage. The fact that Chand Baori has stood the test of time, enduring centuries of exposure to the elements, is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of its creators. It is a marvel of engineering that continues to inspire awe and wonder in the modern age. Section 4, Building Without Blueprints, the mystery of ancient precision. The most intriguing aspect of Chand Baori's construction is the precision with which it was built. In an era devoid of modern surveying tools, the builders managed to create a structure of astonishing accuracy. The steps are perfectly aligned, the angles precise, and the overall symmetry breathtaking. How did they achieve such precision? They likely used rudimentary tools, such as plumb bobs and ropes, to measure distances and angles. Chand Baori stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the remarkable feats that can be achieved with limited resources, but a profound understanding of natural principles. Section 5. A legacy etched in stone. Chand Baori's enduring significance. Today, the Chand Baori stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a symbol of India's rich cultural and architectural heritage. It serves as a reminder of a time when water was not simply a resource, but a sacred element, deeply intertwined with life and spirituality. The stepwell continues to draw visitors from all over the world, captivated by its beauty and intrigued by its history. It has also served as a source of inspiration for architects and designers who marvel at its ingenious design and timeless elegance. The Chand Baori's story is a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity, the ability to create beauty and functionality even in the harshest of environments. It is a legacy etched in stone, a timeless reminder of the brilliance of ancient civilizations.